Hey guys, so just a little bit different setup this week than what we have been doing the weeks past. The car is still sitting the way we left it last week. We haven't touched it. We had a lot of stuff we had to do last week, mainly rest from the racing season. Get caught up on that just a little bit. But now we've got some maintenance that we've got to do to both of our vehicles. So that'll be coming in the next couple of weeks, and then we'll start working on the car. Maybe even get some other people in here for some setup and bodies, see what all we get there. But right now we're working, or Brad is working on the window actuator, I think, for his truck, or the window motor. He was coming home the other day and his window fell on his truck. So
let's tell him why I was coming home.
Because, okay, he was coming home because I went outside to crank my car Friday morning, and it was cold. So I went outside to crank my car, let it heat up before we left, and for some reason I took my keys back inside. I guess just because I'm used to cranking my car, coming back inside, and having to lock the door. But I didn't have to lock the door Friday because Brad and Maggie were at home. So I just left. My car was already cranked because it's the push to start. And it didn't give me any warning I didn't have my keys. So I got to the doctor's office, got through with the doctor's appointment, started to leave, my car wouldn't crank. I realized, oh crap, my keys are at home. So I had to call Brad. So Brad and Maggie, still in their pajamas, they were just eating breakfast, came and rescued me, brought me my keys. When we got back home, his window fell. So it was an adventurous Friday morning, to say the least. It's been a little bit chaotic around here, but still good.
Moral of the story is, if somebody wouldn't have forgot their keys,
This would have still happened at some point. Just probably wouldn't have happened then. Mommy. What, baby girl? Can you say hey?
No.
No? Yeah, I just woke up from a nap and I'm tired.
Mommy.
What, baby? You want me to pick you up? Okay. She needs to be picked up. She woke up when we got home just a minute ago, so she's still a little bit tired. But we still got body pieces out here that have to be washed and cleaned up. And as far as the body and stuff, I think we don't really know what all we're doing in the off season just yet. We know we're gonna replace the front end parts that we haven't yet, send the rack off, starters off, all that good stuff. But as far as body and stuff, we're just kind of playing that by ear. We got a lot of stuff we gotta do to our personal vehicles.
Need a daggone 10.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, yeah. Okay, can you say, hey, Jack?
Okay.
There you go, Jack.
Found a 10 millimeter.
Got to see her this time.
We need to do a how-to video. Normally people don't like it when we don't do how-to videos.
Mommy.
People get mad when we do how-to videos because we don't do them right.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
I'm not Bob Vila.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy.
What, baby? You can't get in there.
Are you serious?
What?
Wrong size.
Whew. Mommy's already tired.
Of course.
Alright, guys, so that went really quick. He got the door panel off. Now he's getting in there. I'll get to work. But in normal Brad fashion, when he works on stuff, he breaks other stuff. So, yeah, no big deal. Anything plastic is not safe when he starts working on it. He's gonna break it every single time.
Ask your old Volkswagen.
Yeah, every single time he's gonna break it.
We found that out the hard way in Gatlinburg, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Okie dokie now. Hokey pokey. Will you go turn my switch on?
Are you walking in circles, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's...
Turn it on so I can walk the window. I'm not sure if he watches our YouTube videos, but I'm sure Bowen will be proud to see this right here happening. Other than the fact that it's the wrong window that never rolled down. The other one needed to be replaced like almost 10 years ago, roughly.
Not quite that long, like 7 or 8 years probably.
But if Bowen, you see this, don't worry, I got the one to fix that one over there now too.
So he's fixing this one, that one, and the driver's side one. They've all went crazy. He's got to put a brake booster on it, and then it's for the third or fourth time. And then also, I'm gonna show you, this bad boy right here has been broken, so we're gonna fix that as well. We're gonna do some work on our vehicles and some downtime, and then we gotta replace what do we gotta replace on my car, babe? CV axles.
CV axle and wheel bearings.
The price this is the price you pay when you drive older vehicles. But what's the positive? Huh?
$300 in parts is better than $300 a month house car payment.
Right. We don't have a car payment.
Junk.
That's what came out of it. Oh, she went in the shop. What came out of it? I'm gonna go check on my kid, see what she's doing. Probably in here playing with her toys. Let's go see what she's doing. What are you doing? Ah, Maggie, what are you doing? Oh God! No! No! Oh gosh! Oh! Ah, that's not a sword, you crazy! What do you think it is? Oh gosh! Stop that! Oh gosh! Here she comes! Breath.
Tell Mommy to wash them tires.
No.
Babe, I need to know which one. WR 4157.
Had to Maggie's helping Daddy fix it. Are you helping Daddy?
Oh no.
Oh no, she's not. Dad's trying to get the new part.
Daddy's just trying to figure out what the heck goes where.
It looks like it's gonna be confusing as crap.
You ain't kidding.
Have you ever had to replace one of these?
I'm just winging it.
Off of a YouTube video.
Hey, look out.
She said, hold on, let me take my wrench. Or my ratchet.
Daddy.
Why?
Oh.
Oh, that's right. Daddy might be into more than what he needs to be into.
Daddy.
What, baby? Look at them little fancy little doodads. Chinese knew what they was doing there.
Daddy.
What? Can you tighten that up, Hot Rod?
No.
No? Okay.
She said, no, I'll just beat the new part.
My daddy.
My daddy.
Daddy.
My daddy.
Oh gosh, baby, you breaking it already?
Don't talk like that, please. Hey, baby. Thank you.
Daddy needs it, baby. He's got to work. He's got to work, baby. He'll give it back to you.
I asked you to tighten it up and you said no.
Daddy. Daddy. Mommy. Mommy.
What? Did Daddy take it from you?
Dad.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Oh, baby.
A bat.
Back?
Open.
No, she said back. She said, give it back to me, Dad.
Mommy. Bat. Daddy.
See it?
You're doing a great job, babe. She's trying to shut the door on him. Oh gosh, are you ever gonna get it tight?
Maybe.
Oh gosh, is that a mile-long bolt?
I love auto mechanics.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I really don't.
Oh, you're saying you don't like being a mechanic on an auto vehicle?
That's exactly what I'm
Oh. Well, people may take that wrong. People may be saying people may be thinking that you said you don't like mechanics. Lord knows, you know, everybody takes everything hard.
I think they knew what I was saying.
Probably not.
Turn the switch on.
Okay. Let's go turn the switch on.
Got it?
Yep.
Hold it right there.
Maggie's holding the flashlight for Daddy for the first time. She said, I'm trying, Daddy.
Good job.
There it went, maybe.
I think it did.
I think so too. Alright. Door panel is on. It's starting to get a little bit dark. It's gonna be hard for you to see. Wow, Maggie, that's bright. Mooga, that's bright.
Mag, let me see that, please.
Let Daddy see it. Thank you.
But,
You can have it back in just a second, okay? Hey,
but,
let Daddy see it. He needs it for a minute, okay? You can have it back in just a minute.
no. Daddy,
Hold on, baby.
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 but, daddy,
What?
daddy,
What?
but,
What?
daddy,
She said back.
Hold on, baby.
daddy,
Hey, hold on.
daddy,
Would you hold on, please?
no,
No.
daddy,
You're welcome, man.
but,
What a quick, fast job that was. Got that all done in less than like 30 minutes. Usually it takes you 4 hours to do anything mechanic-wise.
I'm telling you. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That ain't right. Of course, somebody was in there hitting the locks. Wonder who that would have been. Installed.
Good job. Good job, babe. Alright, so the passenger rear door is all finished. Now he's got to do the
We don't need to talk about these parts.
parts that you broke off. No big deal.
What parts?
Yeah, exactly. They're not there anymore, so how are you going to know about them? Alright, guys and gals, so that's going to finish this up today. Brad's out there still working on that. It's getting too dark for you to really see what's going on out there, so I can't really video anymore. And he's seen it on the other side. He's doing the exact same thing to the driver rear as he did the passenger rear. So he's gonna get that finished up, and then maybe tomorrow or Tuesday we'll come back down here and do the driver one, because it's messed up as well, and then it's also got to have a brake booster. So we'll get all that done this week, and then hopefully start working on my car, get our vehicles in tip-top shape, and then start working on this pig here. We've still got to wash tires. We haven't done those yet, just because it's been chilly, and we just haven't. We never ever let dirt sit on tires this long, but unfortunately, or
mommy,
fortunately. What, baby? Where's your bow? You had a bow in when we came down here. Where'd it go?
oh no,
Where's your bow?
oh no,
Oh no, where's it at?
hello, mommy,
Where's your bow at, baby?
mommy,
Mommy don't have your bow, baby. Where's your bow?
oh no,
Go find it. What'd you do with it, Angel?
mommy,
What?
Hair bow?
Mommy's got a hair bow, but it's not your hair bow, so where's your hair bow?
I know.
You don't know?
Hair bow.
Go find your hair bow, baby.
Hair bow. Hair bow. I know.
You don't know?
Hair bow.
Are you calling for it?
Hair bow.
Where's it at?
I know.
You don't know?
Mommy.
What, baby?
I know.
You don't know? Is it not in your car?
Mommy.
What, baby? Is it in your gas tank? No, it's not in there. What'd you do with it, Angel Girl?
I know.
You don't know?
Hair bow.
Well, I don't know what you did with it either, babe.
Mommy.
What? Mommy don't have your hair bow. Mommy's got her hair bow.
Hair bow.
Anyway, looks like we've lost a hair bow. But we appreciate all you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think. Be sure to check out our Facebook page, Berry Apparel Company, for all your apparel needs. We can do sublimation, screen printing, and vinyl. Hey, you're fine. We can do all the above. We do have minimums on the screen printing and such like that, but sublimation, we can do anything. Vinyl, we can do a little bit. I don't prefer vinyl because it's a headache, but we can do vinyl. As far as like shirts and stuff like that, we can't do big stuff with vinyl. But anyway, we appreciate you guys. Be sure also, another thing, Warp Speed Performance Parts, be sure to check us out there on Facebook. We actually have a website. It's warpspeedperformance.net. I've got to work on that website. I've got to. It's been crazy. It's been hectic, and I just haven't been able to. But if you need any parts, be sure to reach out to us. We are Performance Bodies and Day Motorsports dealers. So if you see anything on those two, we can hook you up there. We can get any parts through those. Also, if you need any setup help, as far as bringing the car to us, need Brad to go through your front end, whatever the case may be, we are taking on those jobs, and as well as bodies. We've got to put a new body on this at some point, but ours is not priority right now because we don't plan on going back racing until March or April. So if you need any body work or setup work, contact us. You can either contact me or Brad, whichever one. If you contact me, I'm just going to put you in contact with Brad, but because that's not my bread and butter. I can order you the parts and I can take care of you there. I can take care of you on the Berry Apparel, but on the other stuff, no, that's not me. But thanks to all of our sponsors, Vinson Race Engine, Warp Speed Performance Parts, Berry Apparel Company, KT Heating and Air, Outer Vision Roofing and Exteriors, and Brinn Transmissions. Also, thanks to Penske Racing Shocks for all they do for us. Thanks to all of you guys for watching. We will see you back out here at some point this week. Probably won't be working on a race car, probably be working on our personal cars, but sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. We drive older vehicles, so we don't have car payments, and having to fix them a couple $100 every now and then is definitely worth it when you don't have that couple $100 every month. But we appreciate you guys and hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you back.